Hello everyone, welcome back to EngVlog, and today in this lesson we are going to learn some phrases that we could use when we want to ask for someone's opinion. That means when we want to know someone's opinion, we can use these phrases in our speaking. So let's jump into the lesson. It's a very small and tiny tiny lesson. 4 phrases for asking for someone's opinion. Okay, number 1. Sorry. Number 1. What do you think about? So, I'm asking you, what do you think about the person? What do you think about the American president? What do you think about Trump? What do you think about Nelson Mandela? Okay, so there are so many questions. Okay, you may add. Okay, you may add to that phrase. What do you think about? What do you think? What do you think about? Okay. Number 2. How do you feel about? Okay, same theme. Okay, you can ask this question. How do you feel? What is your feeling about? Okay, what is your feel? How do you feel? So, how do you feel about? Number 3. What's your opinion of investing more money on that project? What's your opinion of going there? What's your opinion of making these things together? There are so many questions, okay, as I said. So what's your opinion? And the last one is, what are your views on? So views on, okay, so on something. So what are your views on that thing? What are your views on that budget? What are your views on spending more money, or investing more money on that project? Okay, so you could use, so sky's the limit. You can add so many things, and it depends actually on what you really want to know, or how you want to express your feeling, or how you want to ask, okay, for the information from someone else. Okay, so these are all the phrases, or there are so many phrases you could use, but as it is a lesson for beginners, I have just picked only 4 for you. So this is all about it. I hope you understood the lesson and you are going to use them in your speaking and writing when you want to ask for someone's opinion. If you like the video, just hit the thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel EngVlog. Hope to see you. Bye-bye. So this pair of words makes many learners confused, especially when they try to use them in their speaking and writing, and some of them think that both the words mean the same, but of course there is really a difference that we are going to learn in this lesson.